second of the day. Dream of you in the most special way. You're beside me all the time. Every minute, every second of the day. Dream of you in the most special way. You're beside me all the time. I've loved you only in my mind, but I know that there will come a time you'll feel this feeling I have inside.
Magandang hapon po mga ka-Arebs. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Bagong Silangan, Quezon City para sa isang birthday surprise gift delivery galing kay Sir Kevin John Banjola. Tara, samahan nyo kaming i-surprise si Ma'am Mona Lisa Banjola sa kanyang kaarawan.
You're a hopeless romantic is what they say. Falling in and out of love just like a play. Memorizing each line, I still don't know what to say.
Hello po. Hello po. Kay Ma'am Mona Lisa po. Ma'am Mona Lisa Banjola. Labas po kayo, ma'am. Ma'am Mona Lisa po. Ito po kayo, ma'am. Ito po, ma'am. Deliver niyo po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Ma'am Mona Lisa Banjola. Happy birthday. May gusto pang bigay ng regalo sa inyo ngayong kaarawan nyo. Pwede pumasok kami sa loob. Dito na sabihin ko kayo lugar niyo pa surprise. Thank you po.
What to say? Don't know what to do whenever you are near.
Once again, Ma'am Mona Lisa Banjola, happy 29th birthday! Ayan, may idea ka ba kung kanino galing yung pa-surprise at pasabog na to? Ayan, syempre po, sasabihin ko na kanino galing yung pa-surprise at pasabog. Ayan, galing kay Sir Kevin John Banjola all the way from Pilipinas. Dito lang po, sir. Ayan, syempre marami po siyang gift items po sa inyo. Ayan, bigay po namin yung mga regalo niya. Meron po kayong birthday balloons, and then birthday cake, and also meron kayong assorted chocolates na ka-bouquet. And also meron siyang bonggang regalo po sa inyo. Pag-open na lang po doon. Pa-open na lang po yan.
Parang pambili ng insulin to ah.
Ayan, ano kaya ang laman? Ayan! Okay, yung flowers, fit cash. 29,000 po ang laman. Happy birthday! Ayan po, sana po kung nagustuhan niyo yung surprise gift delivery ni Sir Kelvin. Kahit nandito lang siya sa Pinas, gumawa siya ng paraan para i-surprise po kayo ngayon. At syempre, meron siyang message na gustong iparating. Babasahin ko lang. Happy birthday, my love. I can offer you a lot, but on this day, I offer you my heart, my soul, in each every part of me is yours today and always. Happy birthday! Ayan po yung sweet message ni Sir Kevin John na kahit nandito rin sa Pinas, gumawa siya ng paraan para i-surprise po kayo. And then hindi po matatapos yan. Kakantahan po namin kayo ng birthday song and then mag-blow po kayo ng candle. Again, meron dedication sa cake. Happy 29th birthday, Madam. From Chairman Aubrey Azalea. Kanta po tayo ng birthday song and then blow the candle.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ayan, syempre po, wishes nyo po muna bago nyo i-blow yung candle. Oh, ready na po? 1, 2, 3, blow!
Happy birthday!
Ayan, syempre po nag-message si Sir Kelvin dyan. Ano naman po yung gusto pong sabihin sa kanya ngayon na pina-surprise po kayo ngayon at may pasabog siya ngayon sa inyo pong kaarawan?
Thank you. Sana next year ulit. Love you. Yun. Okay na. Okay na. Sabi ko ngayon ko mag-message eh. Mamaya ako na maibubulong sa kanya.
Once again, Ma'am, Mona Lisa, happy 20th birthday! Ayan, sana po nagustuhan niyo yung pa-surprise at pasabog ni Sir Kevin. Ayan, gumawa po siya ng paraan para i-surprise po kayo ngayon. Again po, and hindi niya po nakakalimutan yung kaarawan niyo. And then special po kayo ngayong araw na ito. Again po, God bless everyone. Marami pong salamat.
Thank you.
Don't know what to do whenever you are near. Don't know what to say. My heart is floating in tears. When you pass by, I could fly.